This production line is designed to harness the power of the sun. It's the GCC's first solar panel production factory under one roof. Electricity is cheap and consumption is high in Gulf states, prompting many countries to invest in alternative renewable energy. Qatar's government plans to convert 2% of its power output to renewable sources by 2020. This facility is planned to generate 2.5 gigawatts in coming years while keeping its own carbon footprint under control.
What we've done is implemented a couple of innovations. So, for example, our cooling system, which is really a very large proportion of our cost, of course, being in this region, we've moved to a gas-fired cooling system. Now, that brings incredible efficiency. We've implemented LED lighting in the whole facility, and that allows us to reduce the lighting load overall.
This facility can produce solar panels that can generate 300 megawatts of electricity. That is enough to power 100,000 homes here in Qatar. Gulf states are spending $155 billion on solar power projects.
The company behind the project and some environmentalists believe that the massive investment, which in itself is energy reliant, is worth it.
Their longer view is that they have a finite energy supply here in Qatar, which is natural gas, but that's going to run out at some point. The question is, at that point, do you want to be reliant on foreign technology to do it, or do you want to be one of the innovators and one of the technology leaders?
The facility is also aimed at providing the best quality and standards for photocells used to harness sunlight. The Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change believes that it's about time.
Qatar has very high emissions, but I would commend the fact that they are looking further into the future than most countries are, and taking steps to develop technologies that are going to be sustainable.
Qatar Solar Energy says it plans to take the model and implement it in other markets to generate low-cost electricity and reduce the carbon footprint. The government recently announced measures to curb energy waste, but the reality of tilting the balance between renewable and hydrocarbon sources is still many, many years away. Osama Bin Javaid, Al Jazeera, Doha.